Good morning. In the last lecture, we started mobility current. I hope you people are going through video lectures. I am trying to make the material as simple as possible, but there may be a few queries, there may be your questions or difficulties. You can share your difficulties with me, so that if any suggestions are there, you can even give me your suggestions, so that we shall try to make the material more and more interactive. Remember this, don't forget to interact with me. Yesterday we derived, we were deriving the expression for probability current. We wrote equation 1 as the probability conservation equation, dou by dou t of integration in the limits x1 to x2 square of modulus of psi into dx. We have taken this as S1 minus S2. We want to prove this equation. We want to actually show that the equation 1 we wrote earlier for probability current is actually the equation for probability. For this, I think yesterday we started with the time dependent form of Schrodinger equation. H cross divided by I dou psi by dou t is equal to H cross square divided by 2m dou 2 psi by dou x square minus b psi. This is the equation we derived in the last article. Let me modify this equation. This may be for the minus I h cross dou psi by dou t So this equation can be written as this. This is nothing but the time dependent form of Schrodinger equation. Let me write this as the equation of 1, 2. This equation is written in the form of psi. Psi is taken as a complex function. The same equation can be written in the form of complex conjugate of psi. How to get complex conjugate of psi? Replace I with minus I, psi with psi star. So, time dependent form of Schrodinger equation in complex conjugate form will be this one. Multiply equation 2 by psi star, equation 3 by psi to get So multiply equation 2 by psi star and 3 by psi, we get equations 4 and 5. Let us subtract equation 5 from equation 4, so that we will get minus minus will become plus. Minus minus will become plus. Plus psi star v psi minus psi v psi star. Both are identical and opposite terms, so identically cancels out. From this, let us take IH cross common from these two terms, and from these two terms, let us take common minus H cross square divided by 2U. So this equation may further be written as from first term psi star dou 2 psi by dou x square is right, and from second term minus of psi dou 2 psi square by dou x square is left. This term may further be written as dou by dou t of psi into psi square. If we differentiate this product with respect to time, we will get the same thing. Psi star held constant, it is differentiated with respect to t, plus psi is held constant, it is differentiated with respect to. And from this, let us take out dou by dou x outside. Equation number 6. Now, we want to take away this IH cross. You can do one thing, transfer this IH cross to this side, or multiply both sides of this equation by minus I by H cross. Either transfer this IH cross to RHS or multiply both sides by minus I by H cross. If we do this, what will happen here? Minus I by H cross into IH cross dou by dou t of psi star minus I by H cross minus H cross square divided by 2m dou by dou x. The bracket as it is. Let us simplify this further. H cross H cross get cancelled. Minus I into I minus I square. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus, that will be just plus. So what will on LHS is dou by dt of psi square. This H cross get cancelled with plus square. Minus into minus will become plus. So it will become IH cross by 2m dou by dou x of the capital. And so we further have this equation as equation number 7. Then integrate equation 7 in the given region of space. And what is the given region of space in our figure? From x1 to x2. So let us integrate both sides of equation 7 over the given region x1 to x2 to get dou by dt of integration within the limits x1 to x2. Psi star is scalar modulus of psi into ds is equal to IH cross by 2m integration in the limits x1 to x2 dou by dou x of psi star dou psi by dou x minus psi dou psi star by dou x into dx. This is equal. Integration and differentiation are opposite process of each other, so these two will get cancelled. And on LHS, on RHS, what left is what is LHS? It is dou by dt of integration in the limits x1 to x2 square of modulus of psi into dx. Go to equation 1. See LHS of equation 1. LHS of equation 1 is the same. And therefore, this RHS should give us the change in, actually the rate of change of probability density in the region of the space bounded between x1 to x2. From equation 8, I may write the mobility current S is equal to minus IH cross divided by 2m psi star dou psi by dou x minus psi dou psi star by dou x, equation number 9. Minus sign is not here. I have taken minus sign here because the limits are x1 to x2. If I use this equation as it is, what will happen? For this I will get S2 minus S1. But what is LHS of this equation? From equation 1, S1 minus S2. To keep the probability conservation, to get the same probability current equation, minus sign is interesting. Now, from this equation we can derive the actual expression for probability current. To get this, let us consider a free particle in motion. Let us consider unrestricted particle in motion which is associated with the wave function psi. If it is associated with the wave function psi, this wave function psi for this freely moving particle may be taken as psi is equal to A e to the power minus I by h cross into Et minus Px, equation number 10. So psi is the wave function associated with the freely moving particle having energy E and momentum P. Psi is complex. So complex conjugate of this psi will be psi star, that will be equal to A e to the power I divided by h cross. I to be replaced by minus I for complex conjugate into Et minus Px, equation number 10. To get equation 9, to convert equation 9 for probability current equation in terms of known quantities, we have considered freely moving particle with which wave function psi is associated, given by equation 10, and its complex conjugate is psi star, given by equation 11. We are going to use equation 10 and equation 11 to get the value of those psi by 2x and those psi star by 2x. To get the value of those psi by 2x, differentiate equation 10 with respect to x once, only once. So differentiate equation 10 with respect to x to get those psi by 2x is equal to A e to the power minus I by h cross into Et minus Ex into differentiation of this exponent with respect to x, minus minus will become plus, it will be Ip divided by h cross. But what is this? This is psi, so I mean for the right, dou psi by dou x is simply Ip by h cross into psi. Equation number 12. Similarly, to get dou psi star by dou x, differentiate equation 11 once with respect to x to get dou psi star by dou x is equal to A e to the power I by h cross into Et minus Px into differentiation of this exponent minus plus minus 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 Ip by h cross. This is psi star. So let me write this as minus Ip by h cross into psi star Equation number 13. Equation 12 written for dou psi by dou x. Equation 13 written for dou psi star by dou x. Let us put values of dou psi by dou x and dou psi star by dou x from equations 12 and 13 as ip by h cross into psi and minus ip by h cross into psi square into equation 9. And what we get is dou by dou t of integration within the limits x1 to x2 is equal to minus I h cross divided by 2m inside the bracket psi star into dou psi by dou x is this one minus will become plus psi dou psi star by dou x is minus has become plus ip by h cross psi star. This is further equal to minus I h cross divided by 2m psi star into psi square of modulus of psi into psi star square of modulus of psi ip by h cross these two terms are same and so I may further write this as minus I h cross divided by 2m into 2 times ip by h cross into square of modulus of psi. These two get cancelled. This h cross get cancelled. Minus I into I minus I square. I square is minus 1. Minus I square is plus 1. That is just plus. And so what left is equation number 14. So dou by dou t of integration within limits x1 to x2 square of modulus of psi dx is equal to square of modulus of psi into p divided by m, where this is probability density times p divided by. Let us try to get this value of p divided by m. Now let us see how to get value of this p divided by m. We know kinetic energy is given by 1 by 2 mv square. This is for the 1 by 2 m square d square is equal to p square divided by 2m, that is 1 by 2 mv square is equal to p square divided by 2m. Let us try to simplify this. If this 2 is taken to this side, it will come into the numerator. So this 1 by 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. When this sign is taken to this side, it will come into the denominator, and we will have v square is equal to p square divided by r square, or further v is equal to p divided by r, equation number 15. Starting with simple kinetic energy equation, we got v is equal to p divided by r. So this p by r can be simply replaced by v. And so equation for probability current can now be written as and what is this? Probability current corresponding to a particle in motion associated with the wave function psi is simply given by product of velocity of the particle with which it is moving and the probability density. Okay, so this is about the expression for probability current corresponding to a particle in motion. And this probability current of a particle in motion, of course it is free particle, unrestricted particle in motion, is always given by product of probability density of the particle in motion and the velocity v with which the particle is moving. So this is about the probability current and conservation of probability of the particle in motion. So here we complete the probability current. Hope you got it. If any ambiguities or queries regarding this article, you are free to interact with me. Thank you.